We saw when we were expanding single brackets that all we do is multiply the outside by the inside. 6 times 5x gives us 30x, and 6 times minus 4 gives us minus 24. When we're expanding double brackets, we do the same thing but slightly more complicated. We take this first term, we multiply it by the second first term. X times x is x squared. We take this first term, we multiply it by the second term of the second bracket, which gives us 2x. We repeat this for this second term. 1 times x is x, and 1 times 2 is 2. We now collect like terms. X squared stays the same because we don't have any other x squared. For x, just x, we have 2x plus x, which gives us 3x, and then we just have 2.